Hi everyone, thanks for watching What I Read Today video. I'm Ketty, I work for KADOKAWA Corporation and I'm in charge of international licensing. The book I'd like to recommend today is a business book. The title is Toyota's Floor Management Development System. One team, one plate. To get things done. This is the latest in a series of analyzing the management of global automaker Toyota. Toyota has a board that makes it possible to manage a team with just one board. This is the SDCA method, Daily Management Board, which is used at all production sites. In this book, we show you how to put it into practice for the first time. Although daily improvement is the source of Toyota's strength, the mechanism for implementing improvement has not yet been disclosed. A single management board is used to grasp individual goals, actions to achieve those goals, and the processes and quantification of those actions. And this is connected to the company's policy, which is a tool for supervisors and members to achieve their goals on a daily basis. This book unravels the mechanism of this management board and introduces it in an easy-to-understand arrangement with plenty of illustrations so that it can be used as a business tool for office workers and individuals. The team management methods of Toyota, a world-renowned automobile manufacturer, are sure to be of interest to business people around the world. If you have any query or an offer, please feel free to contact us. You can also check our website to find more titles. The URL is https://www.kadokawa.co.jp/. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bye bye.